I don't think I've couponed in about 2 weeks probably, but we're back and we're about to go in CVS and see what we can get. They have some pretty good deals this week, so come along with me. Let me show you some easy deals that you can do, and all you need is your phone. Okay, we're gonna see what we can get at a discount because we do not pay full price in 2025. Okay, so I'm just scrolling the app right now. They've sent me some app only offers which look pretty good. I may do a few of these, but one thing I am going in here for is some shampoo, because we can get some Garnier shampoo for $1 net, $1. Okay, so Nivea body wash is buy one get one half off. The women's is the better deal because if you have this 30% off coupon in your CVS app, you can get 2 for $5.24. So I'm gonna pick up 2, and if you have in your Ibotta accounts, there should be a rebate as well. I don't have one in mine, unfortunately, but check your accounts. If you do, you can get $2 back per bottle. So I'm gonna get these 2. Again, buy one get one free, $7.49, but I have a coupon, so I'm gonna pay $5. So the Garnier shampoos are 2 for $8. When you buy 2, you're going to get back $3. But in your CVS accounts, everybody should have this $3 off coupon. Now, whether you get the whole blends or the Garnier fruit teas, you'll have the $3 off coupon. I also have a 20% off coupon, so both of these should stack. But if you only have the $3, then at the register you'll pay $5. You will get back $3, so that's a net $2 or $1 per bottle. I like the silicone free ones, so that's what we're gonna get. Okay, so I have an app only offer for this Purex, which is normally $17. I have an offer. I can get it for $9.99, and I get a $2 back rebate on Ibotta. So essentially I'll get a 17 bottle of laundry detergent for only $7.99. Their Royal Market popcorn is buy one get one free for $3.39. That I think is just as good as Skinny Pop and Smart Butter, whatever it's called. It's a good price on a Kellogg cereal, $1.99. There's no coupons, but that's just a good price. I might come back and get some later. Okay, the Degree spray deodorants, they're $7.29. Buy one get one half price, and when you buy 2, you are going to get back $3. But in your CVS app, there is a $4 off of 2, so you're going to pick up 2, and then at the register you're going to pay $6.93. You'll get back the $3, making them $3.93 or $1.96 each. So I'm just gonna get a men and the woman. Make sure you're looking and getting the ones that are tagged. I really didn't find too many deals right now. May come back later. I am going to go to Walgreens though, so I'm going to clip Walgreens on this video too. So this is my cart, and I'm going to go check it out. Okay, so I spent $29 out of pocket plus tax. I got back my $6 extra care bucks, and I got $2 coming back on Ibotta for the Purex. But I also had an Ibotta offer. If I spend $20 at CVS, they'll give me $2 back. So I have a total of $4 coming back on Ibotta. So that's what, $10. So I spent $19 net price for all that. I will say though, my Nivea coupon, the percentage, the 30% one, it didn't come off. And I didn't notice that until just now, but it's fine. I'll try it again later. So I ended up paying $7.49 for both bottles instead of $5 like I thought I would, but that's okay. So yeah, if you don't have Ibotta, I will put my code in the description box. When you sign up, you will get $5 in addition back on your first receipt. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Walgreens because I always get my toilet paper from Walgreens. Again, don't pay full price, people. If you want to, I feel like if you want to get the most bang for your buck or save the most, also don't be brand specific, meaning don't be like, oh well, I'll only use Dove body wash, I won't use any other products, or I'll only use what's the Tide detergent, I won't use any other detergent. When you are boxed in like that, your savings are very limited. So for me and my family, we'll use whatever as long as it works and as long as we're not allergic to anything. So yes, I use Purex detergent, I use Gain, I use Tide, I use All. I don't care. I'll use it as long as it works. I'm not going to buy something that doesn't work or that will make my family sick. So yeah, that's probably my number one couponing tip, outside of download the rebate. Okay. Outside of download the rebate apps, don't be brand specific. So let's go to Walgreens. Okay, so they also have the Garnier deal going on. So if you prefer to shop at Walgreens, you can do the shampoo deal here. It's the same. There's the $3 off coupon, and then you'll get $3 back in register rewards. Okay, so I come in here for toilet paper. I always get the Scott deal that's $5, and this week they're buy one get one half off. So we'll get 2 for $7.50. Follow me on TikTok, you already know this is my favorite deal right here. Buy one get 2 free on their storage bags. I'm gonna go ahead and get some. So you're gonna get 3 for $2, and you can mix and match. Okay, so they got Arm & Hammer stuff, pods and the liquids. They're buy 2 for $5 each, you get 2 free. So essentially you're going to get 4 for $10, but there is a $2 off coupon in your Walgreens app. So you're going to pay $8 for 4. I'm going to get some pods just to stock up. Okay, another good deal. This is not marked, but Dawn Power Wash is on sale for $4.99, and there's a $2 off coupon. So you would pay $2.99 for that. I'm not going to get it. But if you're looking for Dawn Power Wash this week, Walgreens is the place to get it. Okay, this is pretty much everything I get from Walgreens. So y'all, I'm done in here. We're going to go check out. Alright, so I left the detergent at the store because my coupon didn't come off. And yes, it's a great price. 4 for $10, 4 for $8 is better. And I'm not out. I don't need it. Obviously, you guys know I just bought some Purex a while ago, and we have stuff at home. So left that. So if you guys try the Arm & Hammer deal at Walgreens, your coupons may or may not work. The cashier, she said, well, you know, I could have just checked out and ultimately called customer service and they would have gave me like Walgreens cash or something. I didn't want to do all that, so I just avoided that off and left it. So we just got the toilet paper and the bags for $10.